kakasimula na mamaya.
Blessed by a restless soul. I got a marigold hanging out the car window. And I found a space to roam. We're like the birds, we're gonna fly away. You and me in a postcard can find the way. I got you. Well, I got you holding my hand. It's all in front of me. Home free, I'm born again. Ooh, well, I feel like taking a chance.
Ready ka na ba?
Sabi na.
Mga kinakabahan ka eh.
Yung message mo, handa na.
Marlon at Maria Lori, dumating din ang araw na pinakahihintay ninyo. Ang araw na ginawa ng Diyos. Ang araw na pinili ng Diyos para ipaalam sa inyo, ipadama sa inyo at ipaalaala sa inyo ng Diyos kailanman ay mananatiling tapat at gagabay sa inyo.
Just wait. You and me will co-sign our lives away. I got you. Well, I got you holding my hand. It's all in front of me. Home free, I'm born again.
Magbahala kayong dalawa. Huwag kayong magpapangayong dalawa.
Ang wish ko, magkaanak na kayo. Para magkaapo na kami ng tatay mo.
Ito, naiiyak tuloy mo yan.
Naiyak.
Hindi aksidente na nagkakilala kayong dalawa. Hindi lamang aksidente na nagsimula kayo sa pagtitinginan, malalagkit na pagtitinginan, hanggang sa lumalim ng lumalim ang inyong pag-iibigan. Hindi aksidente na ngayon ang araw ng inyong kasal dito sa Antipolo, Cathedral.
Cause you made me into this man.
I remember when I asked for someone who would love me, God blessed me and gave me you. From the moment we met, I knew there was something special about you. Your affection, care, thoughtfulness, and kindness have filled my heart.
And I'm just so stumped, I got you.
It's been 6.5 years na pagkasama natin being together. Dami nating pinagdaanan. Ito na to, tagal kong hinintay itong moment na ito. At ngayon tayo isa na, magkasama habang buhay.
Let me hear, let me hold right through that door straight to you.
When you do not give up on loving one another, then I tell you, there will be plenty of perfect moments in your marriage. A perfect marriage can actually happen even with two imperfect people, as long as the love of God is in the middle of your love for each other.
So take my hand now, see me, cause you made me into this man.
Marlon, pukalba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Maria Lori na iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay. Opo, Father.
My world, you're my love, my life, my beginning. And I'm just so stumped, I got you. Girl, you are the piece I've been missing. Remembering now all the time.
Maria Lori, pukalba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Marlon ng iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
You're my love, my life, my beginning. It's you.
Sa hirap at ginhawa, may future wife. Thank you, Lord, sa paggabay sa aming pagsasama.
Nakatayo ako sa harap mo at sa harap ng altar. Handang mangako na mamahalin ka habang buhay.
Just for you, wanna do this right.
Love, lagi mo tatandaan na sa bawat araw taon na lumipas, di magbabago ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita.
I vow to grow old with you, and I promise to never take our love for granted. Today, tomorrow, and for all the days of my life, I vow to love you with all I am.
Remember